This is Tim Willis, ClickFunnels and Click Designs, and we're going to be looking at ClickFunnels tonight, and we're going to be looking at how to add a downloadable asset so that it will be downloaded when the customer pushes a button on a web page. So what we're looking at is a page from a webinar funnel, and if we look down here, we have a couple buttons, and we have one here that says Download Workbook. Just a standard button right now, and I already actually have this set to download, but we're going to change things up a little bit here. So the first thing we're going to want to do here is actually get out of here and go to our assets. And we do that by going to our main panel, going all the way down to our settings. That's the gear icon in the lower left hand corner, and then going to My Assets. And so the My Assets section has several things here. So here's your images. Here's your course videos. Now the course videos, you need to understand, will only be for videos that are going to appear in courses in your membership. So it's not a general video storage or video hosting area. And as I understand, it's still a little buggy at this point. We're going to skip over downloads for now. We're going to go to audio. So again, the audio is audio files you can use that's meant for the membership area in the courses. And so it's not a general audio file as I understood it. I've never actually used this, but it is intended for the membership area. We have your fonts, and that's where you would store any downloaded fonts that you install in addition to the fonts that already come in ClickFunnels 2.0. For example, Google fonts or Adobe fonts. If you had a fancy special font you wanted to add to ClickFunnels 2.0 to use, the files for that would go here. And downloads here in the middle of this part we're really interested in. And you see I already have some things here in here, and these are just things that can be downloaded, and most of these are going to be, at least in my case, either images or a PDF. And in fact, we're going to look at this one here, which is the one that's already installed. We're going to create a variation of this to show how it's done. But basically, this is a file that I've uploaded here. As you can see here, it's a PDF. But let's go ahead and get out of here. We're going to upload another file. And so what we're going to do here is click on Upload File in the upper right hand corner. And then we're going to upload the file that we're going to upload, which actually is going to be the same PDF, but we're going to change it up just a bit here. Okay, so click on that and you see it uploaded that file right there, and that's our PDF. Then if we select the image, I'm going to put an image in here, and you always want to do that so it gives you an idea of what you're looking at. And so this is the file. The PDF file itself is the one that's basically a copy of the one that's already there, but I'm going to put this green cover where I just reverse the colors and click designs just so we have something to identify it. Then we want to give it a name, and we're going to call this, you see, Accelerator Rev. And then we can create our file. And then when we want to use the file, what we can do is click on it, open it up, put our mouse cursor over download file, and right click and choose copy link address. And now we've got that, we can go back to our funnel. Open up the funnel. We will go back to our confirmation page here and go into edit mode. Click the hamburger icon, get the side panel out of the way, and then go to the bottom here. And we're going to go to the settings of our button icon. And we're going to look under button action, and we'll go ahead and take this out right here. So this is blank, and make sure it's on go to, and then custom URL, and then we will paste in our URL in there. And generally you're going to want to check this open a new window box. That way it will just open up a new tab on their browser, and they'll still have this page open. That way, especially something like what we're working with a PDF here, that's generally the way you want to go there, so they don't accidentally click out of the site and have to go back in. Alright, after that you can go ahead and get out of the button settings, click on save, and then once we go to our public view, or private view rather, we should be able to click on the button and have it load up a separate tab with our PDF. And that is the green one, which is the second one I did, so we could make sure that it isn't the one that we had before. So everything worked there. I'm going to go ahead. Now you notice it has a picture of this blue one here, and that's just an image. And after I finish filming this video, I'm actually going to go back in and set it back to the PDF with the blue color. But just trying to show how you go ahead and put that file in there, attach it to a button in ClickFunnels 2.0, so that your customer can download a workbook or document file or whatever they have that you want them to be able to access and download. So really that is about it. Just showing how to attach a document to a button, do your asset section so that it can be downloaded. My name is Tim Willis. This is ClickFunnels Click Designs, and I make tutorial and demonstration videos about ClickFunnels, Click Designs, and other useful websites for funnel hackers and funnel hacking. That's the video for now, and we'll talk to you later.